Hey guys, it's Lex, and today I'm going to be walking you through this step-by-step tutorial based off this holiday glam look on my beautiful model Allie, so let's get started. First I'm going to be going in with our Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm applying the shade Medium Tan Sand on Allie, and I'm just buffing it in with a foundation brush. I'm really going for that full coverage look, so this foundation is going to be perfect for that. Now I'm going in with some Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Honey, and I'm just applying this underneath her eye area, down the bridge of her nose, and on the outer corners of her nose. I really want to brighten her under eyes and also the center of her face, just because we're going for that classic holiday glam, and I want her to look really highlighted and bright. And then I'm just taking the excess and applying it on her eyes as like an eyeshadow primer. I'm going in with some Smooth Operator Tinted Press Finishing Powder in the shade Tan, and I'm just applying this in the areas that I'm going to be contouring. Now I'm going in with some Hotel Heiress Matte Bronzer, and I'm using this to contour Allie's cheekbones, her forehead, and also her jawline. For blush, I'm going in with our Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Exposed. Moving on to eyes, I'm going in with our Tarteist PRO Remix palette, and I'm tapping into the shade Wall Art. And I'm placing that on the outer V of her eyes and also in her crease. And I'm tapping into the shade Moonlit, which is this beautiful shimmer shade, and I'm placing that all over her lid with my finger, and then I'm just blending it out with a flat pigment brush. Next, I'm tapping into the shade Spin, and I'm going to be placing that on the outer corners of her eyes and also in her crease. And then I'm going in with Graffiti, and I'm placing that along her lower lash line. I'm also taking some of Graffiti and placing it on the outer V of her eyes as well. And tapping back into Moonlit, which is the first shade I put all over her lid, I'm placing that on her inner corners. Now I'm going in with our Tarteist Remix Double Take Liner, and I'm going to be creating a winged liner on Allie. First, I like to do a micro line along her lash line and then create the wing shape on the outer corner and bring it into the micro line that I created. Like that makes it really easy to create a winged liner, and it's just kind of more of a seamless application. And then I'm going in with the gel liner side, which is white gold, and I'm placing that above the winged liner that I just created. Now for some Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara, and I'm just placing this on her lashes to create a nice foundation for the false lashes we'll be applying. Going in with our Tarteist PRO Cruelty-Free Lashes in the style Baddie. These are some of my favorite lashes. They're some of our new lash styles, and I think they are just so pretty, so glam, and perfect for a holiday look. Then for brows, I'm using our Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Mousse in the shade Medium Brown. And I'm just creating hair-like strokes on Allie's brows in the sparse areas. Now for some Beam and Highlight, we're going in with our Exposed Highlight, and I'm placing this on the high points of her cheeks, a little bit on her nose, and also on her Cupid's bow. For that perfect holiday red, I'm going in with our Tarteist Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade XOXO. I just feel like this is the perfect red shade for anyone, especially for a holiday glam look. To jazz up her lip a little, I'm going in with our Tarteist Remix Lip Paint, and I'm just applying a little bit of that on top of what I just put on. Alright guys, so here's the final look on Allie. I so enjoyed being able to create this gorgeous holiday glam look. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye, tartlets.